this is a bite-sized lesson looking at ukulele chord charts. I do talk about them in an awful lot of other lessons, and I'll pop links in the description below, but this is just a really quick guide to get you guys started. So what is a chord chart? It's those funny boxes and lines that you see. They're there to remind us how to play a chord. Okay, so how do we read the chord charts? Well, basically the chord chart is this bit of your ukulele. Okay, the top bit is your nut, and then the lines going across are your frets, and the lines going up and down are your strings. Just a quick reminder in case you're not sure of your strings. Okay, goats can eat anything. G, C, E, A. So how do you read the chord chart? Well, first of all, you are going to need to look at your ukulele this way round so that it lines up with the chord chart. I'm going to obviously flip my ukulele around so you can see what I'm talking about. So the blank chord chart to start with, all right, it's got no fingers or anything on at the minute. It's just showing us the actual fretboard of the ukulele. Let's take a look at a really simple chord. Let's start with C. So the first thing we look at is, where is the dot? Now sometimes dots have numbers, sometimes they don't. This one has. So the dot is 1, 2, 3rd fret on my A string, okay? And the number in the dot is a 3. 1, 2, 3, my 3rd finger. Okay, so there we go. That's a C chord. That's how we read the chord chart. 1, 2, 3 on that line. There our F chord has just appeared now. How do we play that? Right, so we're looking, it's the next line across. So it's our E string, and it's the first box. So it's our 1st fret, and it's got a 1. So we're putting our 1st finger on it. And then the other note that we play is going to be our G string 2nd fret. All right, now we still strum all the strings. So there's our F chord. Sometimes you can see the chord chart with no dots on it. That is a chord, A-7, okay? So it would just be, all right, you just strum the strings. You with me so far? I go into this a lot more detail. Go and check out the lessons on how to play the chords. Right, bar chords next. All right, I'm just explaining it. So in case you see a chord chart, there we are. There's one just appeared now with a line going across it. That means you're going to play all the strings with 1 finger. So let's look at B-7. It's our 2nd fret, and it goes across all the strings. So I'm going to put my 1st finger and B-7. If another finger appears, there we go, there's our B7. Okay, so some chord charts don't have the fingers, they just show you where to play it. There we are, there's one appeared now, A minor. So I could play my A minor. We're looking again at the fretboard. It's our G string, our furthest string over this side. 1, 2, 2nd fret down, okay? A minor. So that's it. That's how you read chord charts. Okay, I'm keeping it nice and simple. Go and check out other lessons to actually learn how to play the chords and to practice. Hope you've enjoyed this bite-sized lesson. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching.